This competition is for the age group of 12 to 18, and we are affiliated partner, as I said, for 2 years, like 17, 18 and 18, 19. This competition we organized for the age group of 12 to 18, and we were having almost 30 and 60 teams for 2 years. This PTC and RB Bearing, John Weers, these like national and international companies used to sponsor these teams, and they also sponsor this whole competition. This is again one of the international competition, Robotex, and this is for for 8+ year age group, and we conducted this Robotex competition in India. We were a technical training and marketing partner with Robotex, and we already conducted workshops and competitions based on this Robotex competition in 18 cities all across India, including Pune, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, and you can see on your screen. So one of the India's biggest military robotics competition, robotics and AI competition with College of Military Engineering, called Milbotics. Here you can see some of the pictures. This is the winning team of Milbotics of a year 19 and 20. Also, India First Robotics is incubating company of Science and Technology Park, and also few of our projects mentioned here, which is in progress. So like development of COVID-19 diagnostic robot, development of food and medicine delivery robot with a doctor interaction, and also the development of smart scan system for seamless entry. So this is our affiliation with one of the biggest university in Pune, Savitri-Bai Phule Pune University, and we are affiliated with Electronics and Science Department, Pune University. Also, we conduct an FDP, means Faculty Development Program, for the professors of these universities. Also, we provide the platform for the students where they can get an internship. Also, they will get support for the final year projects. Also, we provide the skill development program for the students of other universities. Here you can see we already established Incubation and Innovation Center in SNDT, Juhu, Mumbai. So here you can see the details about this incubation center, like access like 6,000 plus girls students for learning technology, industry projects, research and development, prototyping, like product commercialization, and also for the startup facilitation. So this is our biggest this is our biggest project for like with government of Gujarat. We are establishing first ever India's robotic museum under the Science City, Ahmedabad. The budget is worth 125 crore and plus, and this can be to be completed in the December 2020. Also, this is like first of its kind in India, like in world ever. More than 180 robot exhibits, including like defense robot, medical robots, also multi-terrain robots, and a restaurant where they can make food like pizza kind of thing. There will be arms who can bake pizzas by themselves. Also, the servant who are robot itself, they can serve the food to the customers. Also, there will be, we are expecting 3 million plus visitors every year. And also we will be operations and maintenance of that whole museum for next 5 years. We will be doing that. Yes, here you can see our partial client list, where the PTC is again one of the big client, also, and RB Bearing, as I shown earlier, for first take challenge, they almost sponsor 7+ teams. Here you can see Tech Mahindra, GE, Fujitsu, then KPIT. We usually work with these companies for different projects. Here you can see some of the logos of our universities, like Parul, who is from Baroda, Gujarat. Here you can see Bhopal University. Here you can see Vishwaniketan, Vishwakarma Institute, Sinhagad Institute. So these are our clients where we already supported for various projects, setting up robotics lab, innovation lab, conducting FDPs. Here at glance, you can see at one time, like India's first robotic museum, we are working on it, we are making it. We are operations in 7+ countries. Already, as I told you, military robotic competition, which is Milbotics. We already trained 5 lakh plus students. Here you can see the tie-up with the schools and universities, international exposure to the students where who already won that competition, like national competition, they get the platform and they can participate internationally. Here you can see we already conduct the biggest robotic competition like First Take Challenge, Robotics, Milbotics, all of that. Yeah, so this is one of the new program and invention convention worldwide, which is started 1983 by Henry Ford. So we are India affiliate with Henry Ford for this new invention convention worldwide program. Here you can see one picture where they already organized these kind of competitions in multiple schools, regional and national level. So here the students will get the PIT platform. They will get different PIT where they can showcase their ideas with a prototype and poster presentations. So here will be visitors who will be visiting their pits and getting to know what kind of ideas they implemented, what kind of product they thought about it and they created it. And here, like program details, you can see about invention convention, which is flexible for the 6 to 12 weeks, which fits many frames actually. So benefit you can see for the school and program leaders, where the standard based instructions naturally highlighted as in science and engineering practices as here. And also the program offered for the K-12, like KG to 12 category, flexible program design and inexpensive. Also the community and parents involvement will be there. Here you can see like student recognition at the local, regional, national and global level. There will be a regional like school level competition will be there. After that city level competition will be there. After city winner, it will be state-wise. There will be this invention convention program will be held. After that nationally, whoever will be the winner, they can go for international like worldwide invention convention program. After that, you can see here the benefits of individual students, what they'll get to know, what they'll get to learn in this invention convention worldwide program. So student generated processes like students identifies and solves a problem, enhance in communication and research skills, real life opportunity to achieve something for the good of all, but obvious. Then opportunity for original creativity and innovation. Definitely, if student have some ideas, then there should be one platform where they can get nurtured on it and they will get to know how he can implement his own ideas, where he can innovate something different which is not exist. Also like chance to be recognized for their innovation talent. So being a partner, like if you want to be affiliate with this program with India First Robotics, then this is the procedure you can see. You need to sign up as a city affiliate. Then there will be a training and onboarding will be there. So training will be for your technical person who will be getting touch with the students for implementing their ideas. So there will be a training of that trainer will be there. Then you need to enroll schools and students for this program. After that, there will be a training to the students. After training, means after 6 to 12 weeks of this program, you need to announce the school level invention convention competition. So there will be definitely a registration fees and sponsorship, all that procedure that need to be done before. And then you can conduct this ICW competition there. So in that competition, whoever gets selected, you can see here send top 20% teams to regional invention convention worldwide. So after this regional, whoever gets, means whoever winning there, so that they can fly to USA for participating in international invention convention worldwide if your team wins the national invention convention. So this is the procedure how you need to follow, and you will be get a regional affiliate with India First Robotics for this new program called ICW. So these are our mobile robotics products, where the means franchisee of India First Robotics will get again the whole this product varieties. They can sell these products to the inquiries at their areas, where these are like automated guided vehicles variants. You can see RBI, Excel Mico, then Rising, then FTech, GVOLS, GWOM. Yeah. So after this, why STEM and robotics business? So here you can see like 21st century children needs to understand the requirement of the world. So the requirement like current trends like this robotics and automation technology, also like different technologies like IoT, artificial intelligence, then machine learning, these kind of technologies currently booming. And on this based only they will get to know the opportunities in future in career. So now who will teach them about this? Like school academies, teachers, parents, and but obvious the franchises of India First Robotics. So the why STEM and robotics business. So here you can see few are the highlight points and the skills that needs to be implemented in the student as the age group of 6 to 22. So the creative thinking, innovation thinking, critical thinking, that comes under when they are undergoing through the different levels of India First Robotics, right? Now see why the partner with India First Robotics means being a franchisee of India First Robotics in the future, what you will get to know, what you will get supported by India First Robotics. So here you can see experienced and experts, where 8+ numbers you can see in the management expert, where the management like marketing training you will get to your marketing person. On also being a franchisee, you will also learn like how marketing should be, how we can interact with the schools and colleges, what kind of proposals we need to provide to them. Here you can see the experts and industry experience 20 numbers. Means there will be engineers who will be supporting to your technical team to get to know the technical knowledge. Wherever there is an issue in technical terms, they will be always be there for the support. So here like collectively we have more than 100+ man experience, all like since in 11 years. After that, you can see here in-house expertise. So expert in in-house R&D, we have our own research and development department in-house. We have in-house content development team, where we used to develop this content as per the age grasping level of the students. So as per age, as I said, we have different levels of robotics. So as per the age, we need to develop this content. In content, there will be a study material, there will be a syllabus, there will be a builder guide where they can know how to build a robot step by step. After this, in-house manufacturing robotic kits. Here you can see the business experience, almost 10+ years we are into robotics and STEM education, 28 years plus franchising experience, and also expertise in franchising, marketing, sales, technical, robotics, AI, and further on there will be multiple technologies, as I said, IoT, machine learning, and drone making, all of that. Here you can see academies expertise and understand fully well to tackle academic issues, then extensive interaction with the government and different academies to get to know about the technical issues and solve them. And again, direct tie-ups with the 8-number universities, 24 numbers engineering colleges, and 100+ schools. Also extensive curriculum. Here you can see course material, teaching presentation, builder guide, live presentations, PPT presentations, videos in very simple in very simple language and effective way with the examples, appropriate examples will be there. Also advanced robotic kits. Here you can see design on open source technologies, where they need not to pay a single penny for the software they are using. So that is whole like open source technologies that we are using. Open source mild steels, mechanical components, easily. There will be a different robotics like parts we have, which is here mentioned, mild steel mechanicals, where students get to know hands-on like how we can make using channels, angles, and different mechanical parts using motors, drives. Then there will be a different sensors that will be a part of this advanced robotic kits. Also, you can see very economical and market oriented kits that we have developed. Also, ready to help staff means very friendly and homely staff we have. Also means whenever being a franchisee of India First Robotics, your technical team, if stuck somewhere, if they have any kind of technical doubt, they can be in touch with us via any media like Zoom, WhatsApp, call, any kind of media they can use, and they can be in touch with us. And also they will be available all the time for support and solution for your queries. After that, unique support like 15 days technical training in Pune, then 3 days marketing training, then on-site marketing and technical support in your city will be available. Yeah, so apart from it, we manufactured 6 feet humanoid robot, which is wholly 3D printed with the artificial intelligence, chatbot, vision, and mechanical movements. So here you can see that robot picture is given over here, who have high quality speaker, 3D camera for body tracking, individual controls of the whole 10 fingers, then 29 motors for movements of hand you can see here. Then there will be a different like dedicated humanoid designs and development unit in it. 3 different types of life size humanoid robot we can make, extendable voice control, interactive chatbot, and then face detection, recognition, and tracking. So this is like a specification of that whole 6 feet big humanoid robot, which is wholly 3D printed. So 3D printed technology we used in making and building this humanoid robot. Here you can see our one of our kit in different way, where you can see all the parts which mentioned here that will be a part of whole kit, like in-house educational robotic kit manufactured as well as R&D unit, as I mentioned earlier. Variety of modular kit for different age group. So the age group is 6 to 22. So for all age group, we have hardware oriented courses, software oriented courses. So hardware oriented courses, all kits are in-house manufactured. Here you can see a drone technology where we use these drones to teach on like how to build this drone from scratch, how to build this chassis using 3D printer. There will be a dedicated drone design and development section we have. So the use of this drone in agriculture, surveillance, military robots, defense, we can say defense sector also. In professional training program and workshops on a drone technology for schools and colleges. We used to conduct workshops on drone technology for 2 days or 3 days, 6 hours per day in case of colleges. So here you can see one 3D printer, which have one of the base, and the 3D printed technology is a latest technology where they can design and 3D print their prototyping of the product. So designing solution, 3D pen, 3D scanners, 3D printer solutions, spares and maintenance. This is the one of the section of India First Robotics we'll get to know for the franchisee part. So yeah, so this is Internet of Things, which is latest technology where we used to serve to the schools, colleges, and also for different academies like IoT solution providers, IoT development kit, seminars, and workshop for the colleges. Also, we have hardware kit for it where we can provide this kit to the the schools and colleges also, where they can develop their own IoT based projects. Here is the industrial automation where we already a partner with a Dubot, who we are the India distributors with a Dubot, and also the Epson and Panasonic robot system integrators. Yeah, so here you can see India First Robotics courses with the duration, age group, fees, and learning objective. But here you can see these courses are earlier we used to conduct before this pandemic, like Corona. Before that, we used to conduct in-house outside trainings on these different levels for the age group of 6 to 22. So the RoboChamp, where we used to teach a basic mechanical and electrical, where there will be no electronics and programming involved at all, because this is for just age group of 6 to 10. So earlier it was a fee of 5,500, where we didn't included the kit cost. So this is only the fees of a training fee. So here you can see visual programming, advanced RoboChamp, app inventor, champion. Here you can see a different like objectives also, what the students gonna learn in this different levels. So here we use a core Python and advanced Python also, which is in top 10 language, where the Python language will be used in IoT, in Internet of Things, in different making robots, and also for the Raspberry Pi, which is a processor. Also, there will be a 3 different wireless technologies. You can see DTMF technology, dual tune multi-frequency technology, Bluetooth technology, and hand gesture technology. Also the drone making, embedded system, these are for more on like 12 plus and 18 plus age group category levels, where you can see the fees also at the higher end, like 9,500, 18,000, 18,000. This is for 50 hours. So 50 hours, out of which earlier we used to conduct these classes 2 hours in a session. So here you can see multiple like Raspberry Pi, IoT, Intermediate, IoT Pro, then Advanced Embedded System. Just because of current pandemic, we are more focused on online courses, where you can see the first block is more with the hardware related courses, which is Advanced RoboChamp, where the electronics is involved, where the basic electronics like resistor, capacitor, diode, all of will be there. How to connect a circuit on a breadboard, that will be main part of it. Second level is a champion light, where they will get to know about the Arduino microcontroller, sensors, motor, how to attach it, how to interface with it. And for that, there will be a programming language we used. So there is a textual programming language in champion and in challenger light. After that, there is a IoT starter for the age group of 12 plus. You can see here we mentioned a batch wise training also and one-on-one training also. As per the batch wise, we have written here the fees, which is like almost 3,000, 5,000, like that, where it is affordable for the students who really want to get enrolled, who don't have proper like economical background. They also can get to learn these kind of technologies in a batch. So here Raspberry Pi, Scratch programming, and in right side you can see a different only software related courses like App Inventor, HTML5. Then we have Creo, where they can design their own robot in a software called Creo. So in Creo, they will get to know about how to sketch the robot, how to make a part, and in the end, how to assemble that whole parts to make whole robot. Now you can see here again, then Python and advanced Python will be there. And again, additive manufacturing is one of, again, software related course for the 12 plus age group. Now here you can see the business opportunities with India First Robotics, with fully advanced lab setup and various domains. We can set up robotics labs in schools, colleges, and also we can set up IoT labs, AI ML labs, and industrial automation lab setup. So this will cost according to the customization that we provide the proposal to the different schools and colleges, as per the volume of the student, as per the need of the school and colleges. So there is a range. Actually, we cannot say that there will be, this much cost like 20 lakh or 30 lakh. In that, you will get to know the whole setup. Also, you will get whole hardware related setup. So as per the requirement of the schools and colleges, we used to set up these labs. So also government is, involved into these kind of domains, where they are funding to the different schools to set up these kind of labs. So Niti Aayog's Yojana is there, where they can set up Atal Twinkling Lab. They used to fund to the schools almost 20 lakh, out of which 10 lakh is the establishment cost. And every year they will get 2 and 2.5 lakh for the maintenance of that lab. So we can set up that kind of ATL labs in schools and colleges also. So here you can see the business opportunities in case of webinars and workshops and seminars models. So the embedded systems and the basic of robotics, advanced programming languages, AI, ML, DL, region robotics. And also you can see here one of the robotic arms, which is more on industry oriented. We can show them how the industrial robotic arms works using this robot, which is one of the variant of the Dubot. Here, additionally, you can see the seminars and workshop modules like embedded design and development, drone design and development, bipedal robot designs, including one of the 3D printers, then Arduino development, you can see PCB designing, and also the Raspberry Pi processor development. Additionally, Android applications design and development, chatbot design and development, Internet of Things, IoT, then Arduino development, and then Python programming. These four are latest like computer vision, artificial intelligence, human design and development, and machine learning. So again, on these technologies, we used to conduct workshop in case of colleges, where they will get to know about these kind of modules in 2 days, only the overview. After that, they can decide whether they can go for the long-term course with us, including various hands-on and practical projects they can do. Also the hands-on experience on industrial robots, 3D model designs, and 3D printing. So these are different technologies where we used to conduct seminars and workshops in case of colleges, universities, and on this basis only we used to conduct long-term courses. So here you can see 21 reasons like why you need to connect or to join with us, like India First Robotics, re-owned and respected most innovative brand in India. We also have our own manufacturing unit, like lowest possible cost and original, like in-house research and development, dedicated team of engineers. We also have more than 125 franchises all across India, Middle East, Europe, Africa, Kenya, France. As I told you, we have master franchises for Kerala, West Bengal, and Goa. Apart from it, you can see the only K-12 partner with a PTC in USA, in India, and Middle East. Research over 1,000 schools and trained 5 lakh plus students in last 10 years. We already got an appreciation letter from current PM of India First Robotics, Shri Narendra Modi ji. You can see here state of art and cutting edge technology based on the syllabus on the robotics and current technologies. We also have leadership and innovation based on activities for the school students, also for the college students. 100% hands-on practical on syllabus. They will get to know all this practical. They will be doing all the practicals by their own. The students are doing all projects by their own. Our trainers will be guiding, supporting them throughout the level. Also, we are having like science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, like STEM based conceptual learning. Opportunity to promote additional business amongst yours students using fun applications. So we are into the like development of different mobile applications using Android, MIT App Inventor, detailed knowledge on basis of electronics, mechanical, IT, and electrical, like problem solving approach while teaching robotics. And also we used to give a certificate to the students of India First Robotics of the completion of every level. So yeah, so here you can see like how business model works in case of schools, colleges setting up robotics lab, innovation lab. So here at the left side you can see first pie chart where you can see we used to conduct like training programs in school. So in school also how we conduct, one is after school training and one within school training. So here you can see in after school training there will be an optional of a training in school premises, and also our own center where the nearby students and school students can come and learn the different levels of robotics. The second one within school training you can see a part of co-curriculum training. So co-curriculum means the school will allocate this time slot for us, but our teachers, our trainer will go in schools and they can teach robotics in school timings. Then you can see for the engineering colleges students, we have professional workshops and trainings, and also the project works for the students. The final year projects we use to help student to build their final year projects. There will be a guidance and also hardware support we provide. But additionally, there will be a cost for the students that they need to bear. The right hand side, you can see robotics lab setup. So there will be two kind of lab setup we can do in case of schools and also in case of colleges. So one is one-time setup and annual renewal, and second one is invest and operate basis. Means first time we will be selling and we will be setting up robotics lab in school. After that, they need to take care of it. But here we, in second, you can see invest and operate basis. So we will be also investing in setting up robotics lab in school. School also will be investing it. And also our trainer will be a, operation there who look after all these robotic parts, maintenance, training of that school's students on that basis, like different technologies. Here you can see in case of engineering colleges, there will be again one-time setup and annual, and in same case, there will be invest and operate. There will be two options in case of colleges also. Yeah, so here you can see robotic kit sale business. So again, for the 6 to 18 means school age group, you can sell the kits to the parents and also for the schools. The second part is college students. Again, you can sell the like project oriented kits, you can sell the level oriented kits. Again, that kit will be for the school, there will be for students also, and there will be for colleges also. So these kits are already we have with us, means we already developed different bill of materials according to the projects, according to the levels which we have. And there will be a different kind of robotic kits that we need to implement every year as per the competition problem statement. So the competition oriented cell you can see in the end. After that, there will be a participation in competition with a domestic also, as well as in national robotic competition. Again, in case of domestic robotic competition, you can sell the kits and you can give the training on that basis of the kit. Also, you can give kit on a rent and you can charge as per the value of that kit. In case of national robotic competition, you can again sell the kits and you can provide the training on that. And again, you can, in case of national robotic competition, you can provide the kits on a rent and you can charge according to the volume of that kit and importance of that kit. Yeah. So here, the franchisee investment, as per the current pandemic, we decided to provide a special offer. As per here, you can see level A, level B, level C. So these levels are as per the population of that area, as per the number of schools and colleges present in that area, and also the paying capacity of that parents and schools and colleges in that area. So here you can see we provide usually a basic electronic kit, Arduino starter kit, Arduino Pro kit, Raspberry Pi kit, and also the IoT kit. So these 5 variants we provide, which is hardware related courses we mentioned. So these are the franchisee costs like 850 to 2090 rupees. These are the kit for the franchisee that you need to purchase at this cost. And for level 1, as I said, as per the population, we design this level 1, level A, level B, level C. So the quantity also varies according to the level. So you can see here like 20, 20, 15, 15, 15 for level A, where like metro cities like Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, these kind of cities will be having a kind of proposal, where the like metro 2 cities or level B cities will get to know about these like will get these proposals, like only 1,34,000 they need to invest in kits, and then franchisee fee is 1,10,000, that is for 2 years. And in level C, you can see there are very minimal kits that you need to purchase around only worth 75,000 rupees, and only the franchisee fee is 85,000 for 2 years. So we don't have like percentage wise royalty segment. We used to charge monthly fixed royalty, which is after 6 months of agreement. So initial 6 months, nobody have to provide any single penny to us. After 6 months only, they need to provide us with a 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 minimum, which is very minimal as compared to the business that the franchisees are getting. So they need to provide only this after like 6 months only, like seventh month onward, we starting this monthly fixed royalty terms. So this is one of the most important fact and figures that you want to know, that is the return of investment. So here you can see we mentioned like typical average fees for the student at center, which is we considered for a year, which is a 200 count, which is very minimal count, with a on an average 6,000 fees. So that will comes like 12 lakh rupees. After that, school training will be there. So school training, again, you can consider only 5 schools you will get attached with in a year, including schools and colleges, maybe 3 school, 2 colleges, maybe 2 school, 3 colleges, like that. Per school and colleges, if you get at least 60 students, 60 students with the 300 numbers, and amount only like 2,500, it comes 7,50,000. Again, you can see lab setups where we can set up labs in case of schools and colleges. Only you will get to know about, only you set up 3 labs in a year with the amount of only 4 lakh rupees. Not again 4 lakh, it's only 3.5 lakh rupees. So with a 3 lab setup, you will earn again 10,50,000. In case of engineering colleges, workshops, if you conduct workshop for 50 students with a 2 quantity, again 4 colleges, you will be charging very minimal, just because we are conducting workshop with a two days or 3 days, like that, with a 6 hours or 5 hours in a day. So like that, only 2 days 3 days workshop you can conduct with a minimum fees of a 1,500. And also in case of college students, you will be conducting in-house training. Here again, we mentioned only 15 students in a year with a 15,000 fees. And just because of current pandemic, we focused on online training. So there will be for online, it's everybody is interested, because by sitting at home doing nothing, it's waste of time, also waste of brain use. So we are means more on focusing on online courses. We used to get more than 200 actually, but here we mentioned 200 students only with minimum 2,500 fees. On our website, you can see we have mentioned all the training with a like batch wise training fees also, and one-on-one fees also. So coming up to next part, which is expenses that you need to bear, which is a trainer cost, office rental. Because of current situation, we are not morely giving you a restriction of you have to have the center or you have to have your own office, like that. So you can cut down your cost here with the office rental. Also, there will be a marketing cost, traveling cost, utility cost, and the franchisee, like India First Robotics, you need to pay the monthly fixed royalty, which is mentioned in the end, which is 5,000 rupees. So that is again not for a year, it will be only for half of year, last 6 months only. So here you can calculate, as per here, you can get already more than 45 lakh rupees you are earning from schools, colleges, lab setup, workshops, seminars. Apart from it, the expenses are only 10 lakh rupees. So here you can see total city affiliate net profit, which is 35 lakh, which is already your 80% of your profit you will be getting. Yeah, so that's all from my side. So here, so sorry. So here you can see our contact numbers. Ashok sir?
Okay, yes, Snehal.
Yes, sir. So I have completed a proper whole like presentation. So whoever have questions, please ask them to, they can have the question and answer.
थैंक यू स्नेल, थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Yes,
डियर
sir. Yes, sir.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आज हमने जिस ब्रांड का प्रेजेंटेशन देखा है, ब्रांड का नाम है इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स। इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स इंडिया का नंबर 1 स्टेम एंड रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन ब्रांड है, और विद इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ब्रांड ने 125 फ्रेंचाइज ओपन कर ली है। ब्रांड का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो है लो इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड हाई रिटर्न बिजनेस मॉडल। सो अभी मिस स्नेहल ने काफ़ी अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया अपने ब्रांड का। तो अब आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चंस है या कोई भी क्वेरी है तो प्लीज़ आप चैट बॉक्स में जाकर रेज हैंड पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं, और मिस स्नेहल से आप बात कर सकते हैं। इस कॉन्सेप्ट को आप चाहें तो दोबारा समझ सकते हैं। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन। डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, यू कैन ड्रॉप योर क्वेश्चन इन चैट बॉक्स ऑल्सो। ओके मिस स्नेहल, वी हैव फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिस्टर दीपेश रावत। उनका
हाँ
क्वेश्चन
सर।
है, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन दैट हाउ विल यू सपोर्ट इन एडमिशंस।
इन एडमिशंस।
यस,
ओके, तो अभी दीपक सर अभी मतलब बात कर सकते हैं क्या सर वो?
क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप किया है, सो आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है कि एडमिशन
हाँ
को।
सर, चलेगा।
राइट।
फाइन सर। तो दीपक सर, एक्चुअली एडमिशंस जैसे अभी जो सिचुएशन है कोरोना की, उस हिसाब से वी नीड टू मोर फोकस ऑन लाइक ऑनलाइन एंड लाइक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म वी नीड टू यूज। सो जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि देर विल बी अ 2 days और 2 or 3 days मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग रहती है। जो मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग रहती है वो एक तो बीइंग फ्रेंचाइजी ओनर को भी रहती है। ऑल्सो जो भी आप एक मार्केटिंग पर्सन हायर करोगे उनके लिए भी एक मतलब वही मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग रहती है। उस मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है कि जो पेरेंट्स के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं या फिर जो स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो किस तरीके से होते हैं। सो व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द रोबोटिक्स, व्हाट विल बी द स्कोप ऑफ द रोबोटिक्स आफ्टर लर्निंग रोबोटिक्स, डिफरेंट लेवल्स एट इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स फ्रेंचाइजीज। देन देर विल बी लाइक पेरेंट्स कंसर्न्स क्या होते हैं, ये सब आपको उस मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग में बताया जाता है। तो मेन फोकस होता है जो मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग का, जिसमें एडमिशन लेने के लिए आपको जो भी सारे कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उनको आंसर्स कैसे देना है वो सब आपको मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग में आपको बताया जाता है। आफ्टर दैट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग जो है लाइक फेसबुक मार्केटिंग, इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग, या फिर जो आपके अलग अलग आप कैंपेन्स रन करोगे तो वो कैसे करने हैं, उसका फीड क्या होना चाहिए, एज ग्रुप क्या होना चाहिए, इसका सबका आपको ट्रेनिंग में नॉलेज दिया जाता है। उसके अलावा भी 2 दिन के बाद, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि 2 दिन आपको ट्रेनिंग दिया है उसके बाद आपको सपोर्ट या फिर ट्रेनिंग या फिर मार्केटिंग सपोर्ट नहीं मिलेगा। आपको वो ट्रेनिंग भी मिलेगा आपको जब जब आप जहाँ पे भी स्टक होंगे, इन केस ऑफ मार्केटिंग, इन केस ऑफ टेक्निकल ऑल्सो। तो आपको वो सपोर्ट ऑन द टाइम, ऑन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ की प्रायोरिटी कैसे देना है, फेसबुक मार्केटिंग में कैसे आपको फीड लॉन्च करना है, या फिर कैसे आपको ग्रुप्स कनेक्ट करने हैं, कहाँ पे आप कितना बात कर सकते हो। तो ये सब चीजें आपको मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग, अपार्ट फ्रॉम मार्केटिंग ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो, जब भी आपको कैंपेन रन करना है वो आपको बाय दैट टाइम आपको कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, वो सब आपको जानकारी दी जाती है हेड ऑफिस से। सो होप आई आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चंस वेल।
थैंक यू मिस स्नेहल।
यस सर।
मिस स्नेहल, वी हैव सेकंड क्वेश्चन मिस्टर मनीष फ्रॉम दिल्ली। वो जानना चाह रहे हैं कि कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दैट हाउ विल यू प्रोवाइड अस स्टाफ एंड ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटी।
यस सर। सो एज यू रिक्वायर्ड, मतलब फ्रेंचाइजी स्टार्ट करने के लिए एक टेक्निकल पर्सन, मिनिमम एक टेक्निकल पर्सन की रिक्वायरमेंट है और एक मार्केटिंग पर्सन की रिक्वायरमेंट है। टेक्निकल पर्सन जो रहेगा वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियर ही मस्ट है। बिकॉज ऑफ दिस latest technology we have to have our best technical person who will be delivering this proper knowledge to the person। because ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि मतलब कैसे कर सकते हैं, पहले लेवल तो हम मार्केटिंग करके ले सकते हैं एडमिशन, बट सेकेंड लेवल एडमिशन जो बच्चों को लेना है दैट विल बी बेसिस ऑन फर्स्ट लेवल, हाउ ही ट्रीटेड इन इट, कि मतलब उसने पहले लेवल में कैसे सीखा है, उसने अच्छा सीखा है, अच्छा फीडबैक आया है, प्रैक्टिकली उनको अच्छे से सिखाया गया है, उसके बेसिस ही पे ही वो सेकेंड लेवल पे एडमिशन लेता है। तो वी हैव टू हैव अ बेस्ट टेक्निकल पर्सन विद अस। तो उसका जो हायरिंग प्रोसेस होता है उसमें हमारी एचआर आपको हेल्प करती है। तो देर विल बी, वी नीड टू कनेक्ट विद डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस विद ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट डिपार्टमेंट फॉर इट। रीजनल, हम जो टेक्निकल पर्सन लेंगे वो रीजनल पर्सन होगा, तो रीजनल कॉलेजेस ही हम अप्रोच करेंगे। तो उस कॉलेजेस में आपको जाके डेफिनेटली ये आपका, हम जो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उस बेसिस पे टीपीओ पे हमें जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन प्रोवाइड करना होता है। तो ऑन दैट बेसिस जो एप्लीकेशंस आएंगे उसको फिल्टर आउट करेंगे। देयर विल बी अ प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग अ टेक्निकल टेस्ट विच इज ऑफ अ 25 मार्क्स। तो टेक्निकल टेस्ट होती है वो कैंडिडेट्स को प्रोवाइड करते हैं। हुएवर गेटिंग 18 प्लस, मतलब 18 के ऊपर जिनको जिनको मार्क्स आते हैं उनका टेलीफोनिक राउंड शेड्यूल होता है जो हम यहाँ से कंडक्ट करते हैं। तो वो टेक्निकल राउंड के बेसिस पे वी विल बी डिसाइडिंग टेक्निकली साउंड है या नहीं, या फिर अप्रोप्रिएट पर्सन हमारे लिए कैंडिडेट है या नहीं। आफ्टर दैट ट्रेनिंग, मतलब एचआर का राउंड होगा, मतलब पर्सनल राउंड, एचआर राउंड होगा। एंड इन द एंड बीइंग फ्रेंचाइजी ओनर यू विल बी इंटरैक्टिंग विद द कैंडिडेट टू निगोशिएट ऑन, मतलब जो सैलरी बेसिस होती है, आपके टर्म्स कंडीशंस जो भी हो, या फिर आपको जो भी कुछ डिस्कस करना है वो सब आप कर सकते हो। लेकिन उसके पहले वो कैंडिडेट का कम्युनिकेशन, पर्सनैलिटी कैसी है, वो भी स्क्रीनिंग आपको वहां से करना है, क्योंकि वो फिजिकली वहां पे रीजनल प्रेजेंट होगा। तो ऐसे वो टेक्निकल पर्सन की हायरिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट होती है। आफ्टर दैट ट्रेनिंग का सपोर्ट, जैसे बोला कि करंट मतलब जो सिचुएशन है, ऑन दैट बेसिस वी यूजुअली कंडक्टिंग दिस फैक्ट, मतलब ट्रेनिंग टू द टेक्निकल पर्सन ऑफ अ फ्रेंचाइजी ऑनलाइन फॉर लाइक 6 days। तो ये जो रहता है वो फुल डे का ट्रेनिंग रहता है। फुल डे में वो ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग कंडक्ट करेगा, इंक्लूडिंग सॉफ्टवेयर रिलेटेड कोर्सेज एंड हार्डवेयर रिलेटेड कोर्सेज। Yes, sir. So I think I answered this question.
Yes, yes, okay, Snehal, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, मिस्टर स्नेहल प्लीज अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करिए। मिस्टर सोमेश, मिस्टर सोमेश प्लीज अपनी तरफ से अनम्यूट करिए। Mr. Somesh, if you have any technical problem, you can drop your question in chat box. Okay, Mr. Somesh, you can drop your question in chat box also. Okay, dear participants, we have only 5 minutes left. अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है या क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाकर राइट हैंड पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं, या अपना क्वेश्चन आप चैट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं। और आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज आप अपना कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर चैट बॉक्स में जरूर ड्रॉप करें। थैंक यू। स्नेहल, वी हैव वन क्वेश्चन। त्रिलोक हैं मिस्टर इंदौर से, वो जानना चाह रहे हैं एनी फोको मॉडल अवेलेबिलिटी इन योर ब्रांड कॉन्सेप्ट।
मतलब कैन यू एलैबोरेट अ क्वेश्चन अगेन, मतलब
फोको,
उनको।
डू यू हैव एनी फोको मॉडल फ्रेंचाइजी ऑन कंपनी ऑपरेटेड मॉडल? डू यू हैव एनी फोको मॉडल फ्रेंचाइजी ऑन कंपनी ऑपरेटेड? बिकॉज अभी आपका जो मॉडल है वो फोफो मॉडल पे है, फ्रेंचाइजी ऑन फ्रेंचाइज ऑपरेटेड,
हाँ,
राइट?
लेकिन जो भी उनको सपोर्ट लगता है मतलब वैसे मॉडल हम प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज अगेन इन सिचुएशन, बिकॉज रीजनली वी नीड टू गेट दी स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस एंड ऑल्सो इन हाउस स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? So in that cases, they need to go to these schools, colleges, and they need to interact with them regionally. By sitting here in Pune, in Maharashtra, we cannot do that. That's the reason we are offering these franchises. एंड यस, बीइंग एन रीजनल पार्टनर ऑफ इंडिया फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स, आपको उसी आपके एरिया में आपको ही वो करना पड़ेगा सर।